Here's a quick tip if you want to figure out what your wall color is and you need some, and you want to take a sample and have the least damage as possible when you do take a sample, is you just don't go too close to the internal, because there's compound used in the internal to come out a little bit, and you just want to, with your knife, just break through the paper like so. Do it in a place that has a true color. Obviously you don't want heaps of hand marks on it and everything like that. And then you're just gonna peel it off. All right, like that. You only need the paper, and you take that down to the paint shop and you get it matched. Then just get some filler. You might have to come back and give it another little top up once that's dry. Obviously don't leave it like that, okay? That's a lot of DIYers make that mistake. They think they're gonna sand it out, it takes longer to dry, it doesn't sand. Keep everything flat and just do 2 coats. That's my tip of the day.